Good morning, students. Hope you all will be fine at your home. So we are studying a reader book of class 4, and unit 2 is concerned with sports. Unit 2 is concerned with stories related to traveling, and unit 3 is related with wit and humor. Wit means बुद्धिमत्ता और हास्य से संबंधित है. Unit 4 is related with fantasy, that is imagination. So now we are studying Unit 1, that is sports. We have already discussed story number 1, a true friend. You can find the videos related with this chapter on YouTube site. Unit question answer has also been covered. Unit 1, a mix up at birth. This is the story related with Unit 1. This has also been covered, and now we will cover C, Unit 1C, number of players in Kabaddi, 5 or 10 in each team. The team that catches maximum number of opposing team is the winner. कबड्डी में जो टीम दूसरी टीम के मैक्सिमम प्लेयर को कैच करता है, द टीम इज कॉल्ड विनर. द मैजिक वर्ड चैंटेड इन कबड्डी. कबड्डी मैजिक जो टीम दूसरी टीम एक प्लेयर दूसरे प्लेयर के घर में एंट्री करता है, तो मैजिक वर्ड क्या है? कबड्डी. कबड्डी. So now we will go through the story. What's really important, that is the story related with Unit 1 D, page number 20. So Unit 1 deals with sports, Unit 2 deals with journey. So now what's really important in sports, that is sportsmanship. We have already discussed the assignment question, what is sportsmanship all about, and here in this story we will find demonstration of sportsmanship. Sportsmanship क्या होता है? This story is the best example. This is the personification, or you can say this is the epitome of sportsmanship. So now we are going to study Unit 1D. A few years ago, at the Special Olympics, 9 disabled participants assembled at the starting line for 100 meter race. कुछ वर्ष पहले 9 डिसेबल्ड पार्टिसिपेंट्स, डिसेबल मीन्स फिजिकली चैलेंज थे, थोड़ा विकलांगता होगी, फिजिकली डिफॉर्मिटीज होंगे, तो वो सभी 100 मीटर के ओलंपिक रेस के लिए रेसिंग लाइन पे खड़े हो गए, असेंबल में जमा हो गए. एट द विसल दे ऑल स्टार्टेड आउट टू रन द रेस टू विन द ओलंपिक प्राइज. जैसे ही विसल बजा, वो सभी 9 के 9 ओलंपिक प्राइज के लिए अपने लक्ष्य की तरफ दौड़ना शुरू कर दिए. और वो जो 9 थे, दे आर नॉट फिजिकली फिट, दे वेर ऑल फिजिकली चैलेंज्ड. देयर वाज सम इम्पेयरमेंट, डिफॉर्मिटीज in their physique. There was, however, one boy who fell down a few times and began to cry. जब वो 9 के 9 पार्टिसिपेंट्स दौड़ना शुरू किए अपने लक्ष्य की तरफ, तो एक पार्टिसिपेंट्स गिर जाता है, ही फेल डाउन, और रोना शुरू करता है. द अदर 8 चिल्ड्रेन हर्ड, और जो 8 पार्टिसिपेंट्स थे उन्होंने उसकी आवाज़ सुनी, एंड दे स्लोड डाउन, उनकी गति धीमी हो गई, एंड पॉज्ड, और वो रुक गए. वो 8 रुक गए बिकॉज उनका एक पार्टिसिपेंट्स गिर कर रो रहा था. देन दे ऑल टर्न्ड अराउंड एंड वेंट बैक, अब वे सभी पीछे की तरफ देखे और लौट गए उस पार्टिसिपेंट्स के पास जो कि रो रहा था. वन गर्ल बेंट डाउन एंड किस्ड हिम, उस पार्टिसिपेंट्स में एक लड़की भी थी, वो थोड़ी झुकती है और उसे प्यार से किस करती है. शी सेड दिस विल मेक यू बेटर, वो बोलती है यू विल फील बेटर, आई थिंक यू आर नॉट वेरी मच hurt. Then all the 9 linked arms and walked together to the finishing line. और उस समय वो जो गिरा था पार्टिसिपेंट्स उठता है, और वो 9 के 9 पार्टिसिपेंट्स अपने हाथों को जोड़कर एक साथ फिनिशिंग लाइन पे पहुंचते हैं. Everyone in the stadium stood up and the cheering went on 10 minutes. यह देखकर पूरे स्टेडियम में सभी लोग खड़े हो गए. There was standing ovation in the stadium, and they all started cheering for 10 minutes. और 10 मिनट तक वो तालियां बजाते रहे, because there was no cutthroat competition amongst the participants. They all were winners, and if one participant fell down, the other forgot everything. They forgot their feeling of rat race competition, and they all turned back to help his friend, and they all joined their hands and touched the finishing line at the same time. When they were helping their friend, there was no feeling amongst them who will win. If they had any feeling like that, they would not have turned back to help his friend who was in trouble. So this is the best example of a sportsmanship. What is a sportsmanship? This is the example of a sportsmanship. Here one friend falls down, and other 8 friends turns back, help him, and join their hands, and this is the finishing line at the same time. So there was no one individually became winner, they all were winners, and this scene really impressed the spectators available in the stadium, and they started giving a standing ovation, and they started clapping for the 10 minutes. So here what matters is your feeling of cooperativeness, your integrity, team spirit. So here this is the best example of teamwork and competitiveness. There is no negative rival feeling. They all are playing with team game point of view. There is no rat race competition or cutthroat competition amongst them. So this is the story all about, which we can learn a lesson that if you are going to participate in any game, the first and foremost thing that should be kept in your mind is sportsmanship, the enthusiasm, feeling of cooperativeness, and your feeling to help others should not be forgotten. Game